Hello everyone, my name is Husina Kobugabe. I have been active in Uganda. I came to India for my ACL Reconstruction through Vaidam Health, and I can testify that everything has been smooth. From way back in Uganda when I was doing the visa application, they were so helpful and they were always communicating, checking in on me whether everything was going as smoothly. Um, Reaching India immediately, the head coordinator was very, very helpful. The surgery went successful and it was pain-free. I had pain the past 2 days after the operation, but beyond that, everything was good. The physiotherapists were always turning up. And now I had my review with the doctor, which is out. I'm working very fine, so I want to thank Vaidam Health for the good services.